Hello and welcome to Commvault, your hub for enterprise data protection. Today we're breaking down the CommCell Console and Command Center interfaces in Commvault. Ever felt lost by all the screens and panes? Let's clarify what each one is called. If you manage Commvault, knowing exactly where to find the options and settings is crucial, and the official docs don't list every pane name explicitly. No worries, we've got you covered. In the CommCell console, several panes and windows make up the interface. Navigation pane, located on the left, this is your main menu. It lets you browse modules like storage resources, policies, and more. Use it to drill down to any section of the CommCell. Content pane. In the center, this pane shows the main details for whatever you've selected in the navigation pane. Think of it as the workspace where the specifics of your selection appear. Summary pane, sometimes available as an alternate view, this pane gives a quick summary of the selected item. It's like a snapshot overview of the entity you're looking at. Job Controller and Event Viewer windows. These two pop-up windows let you monitor activity. The Job Controller lists all current backup and restore jobs and their status. The Event Viewer shows system events and logs. You can tile or cascade these windows. If you have multiple open, just switch between them as needed using this option. Action bar or toolbar. Just below the menu bar at the top, you'll see a row of icons. This toolbar, also called the action bar, provides buttons for common tasks like running jobs or refreshing views. The icons change contextually depending on what you have selected. Status bar. At the very bottom of the window, this bar shows information like the current user, time zone and time. It's your quick glance at session details. Above these panes, the CommCell console has ribbon tabs: Home, Tools, Storage, Configuration, Reports, View, and Support. These top-level menu tabs give you access to various features and settings. For example, clicking Home lets you open the Job Controller or Event Viewer. For the official pane names and the latest details, always check the CommCell console help or documentation by clicking the Help button in the console. Now let's switch to the Commvault Command Center interface. It's a web-based GUI with its own layout. Navigation pane. On the left, this pane lets you move between Command Center sections like dashboards, protect, reports, monitoring, storage, and so on. It's where you click to open each module. Global search bar. At the very top, you'll find a search field. This lets you quickly find CommCell entities like clients, jobs, etc., or jump to navigation items. Think of it as a quick way to reach anything in Command Center. Content area. The main area on the right is where everything displays. Depending on what you select in the navigation pane, this content area will show dashboards, reports, or configuration pages with all the details. These are the primary interface elements in Command Center. That wraps up our tour of the panes in the CommCell console and Command Center. If you found this useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Commvault for more real-world enterprise backup tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.
Do subscribe for more videos.